Hey friends, I'm Tasia, and this is how to make your Google Home bilingual. Come on, let's get after it. Your Google Assistant is constantly updating with smart new features, and now you can set your Google Home to speak multiple languages. Here's how. Head to your Google Assistant app, not the Google Home app, and tap the Explore icon, and then tap the menu icon. You'll want to head to your settings from here. Now in your settings, select Preferences. Here you'll have the option to select Assistant Language. Under the language you have already selected, tap the Add a Language option. Currently, you can pick from about 15 different languages. Just tap whichever language you want and you're all set. Now your Google Home device can speak to you in either language. Right now you can only select 2 languages, but that is expected to change in the future. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, I want to know, so give it a like, a share, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.